Hello, this is Levi. I will be demonstrating Learning RX. I will also be talking about Learning RX. So what I will be doing is actually performing the presidents and saying them through my visualization shown here on the next. Washington, Adams, Jefferson, Madison, Monroe, Adams, Jackson, Van Buren, Harrison, Tyler, Polk, Taylor, Fillmore, Pierce, Buchanan, Lincoln, Johnson, Grant, Hayes, Garfield, Arthur, Cleveland, Harrison, Cleveland, McKinley, Roosevelt, Taft, Wilson, Harding, Coolidge, Hoover, Roosevelt, Truman, Eisenhower, Kennedy, Johnson, Nixon, Ford, Carter, Reagan, Bush, Clinton, Bush, Obama. Now I will be doing brain cards. The way that you do brain cards is there are multiple shapes and sizes of different shapes. There's a small, big, and large triangle of different colors of red, blue, and yellow, along with the same with square and circle. The point of this is for you to get 3 matches in a row. Now those 3 matches normally consist of 3 different shapes, such as a square, a triangle, and a circle. And also different orientations and different angles. Different colors also. So what I will do is I will shuffle the cards so that way I don't really know what I'm picking. I'm just taking the cards and laying them out and trying to find a match. I will do that here. As you can see here, there is 12 cards. Now I will be performing the brain cards actually for you. Normally we have our metronome going at about 120. This is on silent, so I will turn it on for noise. Okay. So, like I said, you want to look for different shapes and sizes, and colors. So, here I find a triangle, and here's a circle, and here's a square. Well, this would be considered a match because it has all different orientations, it has all different shapes, and all different sizes. Maybe different colors. Could be optional, but not necessary. So this would be considered because it has different kinds. When I'm doing my tutoring, I guess you could call it, I do it for 30 minutes. I can set it on my phone here, or I can have a clock of some sort and set that for 30 minutes. Sometimes I do an hour. It all depends. Normally I do about 30 minutes a day, as long as I have time for that. Alright, well, another thing is reading. Reading. Okay, that's funny. Okay, it's not all about reading. They have funny stories, such as, well, okay, so now I will be doing attention arrows, is what they are called. On the top part, they are arrows that pointing in different directions, and they have different colors. At the bottom, they are different words, but they're colors of words. They're not just any words, they're colors of words. And the colors of words are colored something different. Like the green is colored blue. Alright, so basically what you have to do with these is you have to have the timer going. And what you'll normally do is for the arrows you can say the direction of the arrows. Or you can say the color of the arrows. Or you can say the direction and the color. So right now I'm going to try to do the direction maybe. So left, up, right, left, left, up, right. Then maybe what I will do is do color and then direction. So I'll go left, green, right, red, left, blue, left, yellow, right, red, down, yellow. From there, then you can go down to the next level, and these get progressively harder. The words, they're a lot harder than the arrows, in my opinion. But as far as I know, they are harder. They're meant to be harder. So with these ones, you can say the words of them, or you can say the color of the word or go back and forth. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say the colors. So you want your clicker going about 120 or whatever you prefer. Alright, at 120, my metronome is going. I will go ahead and read off the words. This time I will say the words. Green, blue, red, yellow, black, red, green. Black, blue, yellow, red, blue, green, black, yellow, green. Okay, so easy enough. Well, maybe let's change it up and let's do the word and then the color of the next word. So go green, yellow, red, blue, black, yellow, green, black, black, green, red, and then sometimes it gets very messy in my head and I get kind of lost sometimes. So with the word parts, of course you have reading, but there's also words that you read through, and that is supposed to help with your eyes to stay on the page and follow through with what line you are on, and so you can read a lot faster. So this is what they generally... blooper, blah, blah, blah. So,